Hello guys, come back. I'm going to show here how you should start to change DPI on Figma. First, you can start to realize something. You can start to engage it through every single progress. That should be really changing it and understanding how we can start to make this kind of satisfaction is really going on with this thing that is loading on it. What you're gonna do actually is about follow this video through this kind of progress. As you can see, that is really good on the moment that we have to see that is ready getting started on it. And what you're gonna do is about to Figma designs are really vector based, so the DPI is really adjusted during export. You can select any frame or object, so I would suggest the object is easier. And then as you can see, export in the right corner with a scale 1 to 3. So we have to start to see here, or export file, export, and then as you can see, we can see selected 0 of 0 layers. I don't think so, but we can start to add a certain frame, and we can do the 1, and then let's try again for this export. And maybe that is all about how you change DPI. Okay, you actually guys see the export is ready to be depending on that situation to export it